the Renaissance Hotel in Bangkok, Thailand. Hello, my name is Nick Gray. I'm going to take you inside the Renaissance. Let me walk in. I've been staying here for the last 3 days and I got a really nice room. I can't wait to show you the room. But let's start and show you the walk-in because the lighting here is really nice. Now, one thing I want to tell you is that the hotel is set off. It's not easily accessible from the road, but still okay. Beautiful lobby. Check this out. Really nice check-in area. Wow. Super nice check-in area. And you're gonna check in right over here at that front desk. I'll go check in, and now let's go up to my room. Let's go in my room of this nice suite. Now, you're gonna see, my stuff is in here because I just didn't have enough time. But I'll show you the closet. Hello, by the way, I'm gonna try to show you the best things that are in this room. Let me think where to start. I'm gonna start just with the size. The closet is boring. Let me just show you the size, because there's a huge seating area right over here. There's a nice refrigerator. There's the mini bar. I'll show you the mini bar in a second. But this is what you're paying for, this large size. Now notice how many chairs. 1 chair, 2 chair, 3 chairs, and all of this seating over here, plus another chair over there. You're paying that this could be a room that you could host people. I don't know what you do over there, but yesterday I ate some fruit sitting over there. It was just kind of nice. This is the bed. We'll check out the USB ports next to the bed. If you've seen my hotel videos, you know I love to see these USB ports. I'm still waiting for a hotel to have USB-C ports next to the bed, but that's okay. The other side also has USB ports. They also have this Bluetooth speaker that I enjoyed. I played some music last night. There's the USB ports and the power plug right next to the bed, as well as a reading light. Nice little seating area. My view is not so great, but I had requested specifically to have a hotel room that was on the same level as the club, because that was important to me, that I wanted a club level. This makes me feel like I'm in New York City, by the way. All right, desk area. I noticed that there were power ports over here, which is really nice. I appreciate that. If you're planning to do a little bit of work at your desk, well, lucky for you, you have some power ports that you can do that. Nice large television. I think it's a brand newer one because it is very thin. You can see here on the side. And I'd imagine that if you bring your own HDMI cable, you can plug it in easily. Well, let's take a look over at the closet. You've got your safe, quite a large closet, a walk-in closet, mind you. Funny location for the ironing board right down there. The walk-in closet has plenty of hangers. Oh my God, don't judge my travel wardrobe over here. Nice umbrella that they include for you. I appreciate that. A shoehorn. I guess they'll polish your shoes if you want to. They'll do that for free. That's a nice perk. Many little drawers over here. This is, nothing is in here. Another hanger area, but there's only one hanger there. And then a bonus working area, which I really love to see, a bonus work area. Now, may I just give you a quick plug, by the way? This is what I do in my real life, besides making these hotel videos for fun. This is a book that teaches you how to host an event. Now, the event can be a birthday party for your kids, a birthday party for you. It could be a happy hour or a business networking meetup for your work, perhaps. Perhaps you need to have a meeting or a happy hour. I wrote the book that, just look it up on Amazon. I'm telling you, this book has amazing reviews. It has over 400 reviews, average rating of 4.8 stars. I worked on this book for 6 years. Look, there's a picture of me on the back. And I spent over $50,000 making this book. This is my little commercial, so I'm gonna stop and go back to the hotel tour, but just check it out. It's called The 2-Hour Cocktail Party, and I promise you, satisfaction guarantee that it's a good book. Okay, continue in the hotel tour. The air conditioning controls are right here, and I love to see, not like at the St. Regis, that I can drop down the temperature to 16 degrees Celsius, which is wild. So I love a cold room. Into the bathroom. Another great part of this hotel room. Love this huge bath. Really big fan of it. Takes a while to fill up, but any big bath does. 2 sinks that we see over here. The amenity kit. People always love to see the amenities here. Here's the amenity kit section. And then you also have a shower. Really large shower, by the way. Very, very large shower. With the overhead and with that one. And then you have your bathrobes that are over here. Here's my bathroom view. The controller thing to give yourself some privacy if you want is just right here. You can see this coming down. So that's really nice. All right, that is my hotel room. Let's now go and look at the gym. I'll show you the pool, and then maybe we'll look at breakfast too. Hold on. Welcome to the gym now. We're up on the very top floor. Now, behind me is the pool. I'm gonna take you into the pool in a second, and you have to see the pool. But let's take a look at the gym because I've worked out here for the past 2 days, and I'm very happy with what's available at the gym. You can see 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 treadmills, as well as 1, 2, 3, maybe 3 ellipticals. What I like is the free weights. You can see there's a lat pull-down machine over there. Oh, one funny thing is that they do not have an incline bench. So if you're relying on an incline bench, the benches don't incline. They have a decline bench, which you can see right behind me. And they also have a Smith machine, which is great. But look at the bench. The bench doesn't actually incline. Now they have one of these things, and their weights are in kilograms. They go from 2.5 all the way here to, what is this, 25. So nice to see those free weights. I see some kettlebells over there, but that's not a strong suit. It's only those. They also have one more, this lat pull-down machine. There's your leg press machine. And then here's the lat pull-down machine over there. Now, this gym is basic and it works and it has everything that you want. But the pool is what's special. There's also a sauna, which is cool. And oh my God, I forgot to tell you. The pool is open until 11. That's one of the big things. The sauna is open until 11. Most places they close at like 8 or 9 or even 10. To have it open until 11 is great. We're walking over right now to show you the pool. Let's check that out. Look at how nice it is. It's a very large pool as well, right next to the spa. I'm gonna push this button to open up to the pool, and you'll see some people are in here swimming laps right now. But ooh, look at this pool. The water, oh my gosh. It looks really nice, and it goes from here all the way to over there. Isn't that nice? The beautiful light right now. Now that's a chill area that's open to all the hotel guests. I'm gonna zoom in a little bit. And you can go sit back there, you can relax like this guy's doing with his baby. It's actually very cute what they're doing. And then the spa is right up there. So this is the swimming pool. If I had to guess, I would say it is probably 25 meters in length. But what's really special is the sauna. And I'm gonna go see. I'll go see if I can sneak us into the sauna. Hopefully nobody else is in there. Hold on. Nobody's in there right now, so I'm gonna show you inside so you can see the spa and you can see the little sauna. Now this is open to all hotel guests, and it's open until 11 p.m. at night. So right here is the steam room. I'm not gonna open because it would fog up my lens, but I will take a peek inside the sauna. Hopefully there's nobody in here. And here's the sauna. Pretty cool, right? It's really nice to have that. Oh, this is pretty funny. What a graphic. I cannot believe, okay, I'm not gonna show that. Okay, that's it. Nice view from inside of the sauna. Really cool. Nobody else has videos like this of these hotels. I go in all the behind the scenes areas. If you like this video, will you just do me a favor and just give me a like or give me a comment? Tell me when you're gonna come here to the hotel in Bangkok. I love reading that stuff. I love going to all these hotels. All right, let's keep exploring. This will be a conclusion to my Renaissance Hotel in Bangkok, Thailand stay. I had a great time here. I really enjoyed the pool. The sauna didn't get heated up as hot as I wanted it to be, but my room was fantastic. The breakfast was nice. There's my bag. Hello. Swadee Cup. Thank you very much for watching my video. Say hello down in the comments. Let me know when you're coming here. I hope you have a great trip. I'll talk to you later. Bye.